Well, I was editing the video you're watching now, but I told Randy my problem. He's like, yo, I'm gonna come by, so we're gonna do some little tests right now. I wonder if we're gonna test the fuel pump relay and stuff like that. It's kind of dark outside considering the fact it's 8 o'clock, but hopefully I can still get this video up for you guys on this beautiful night of Friday, where I spend all my nights because I'm just alone. I'm just alone. Come back.
Dang, Randy, whoa, boy, whoa, man.
Damn, I'm killing the game,
bro. You are killing, bro. This is clean.
Oh, yeah, show them no bumper, bro.
No bumper. Oh, this boy clean.
No bumper, bro.
Oh my God, bro. How you be this clean, bro? Damn. What happened to the bumper, bro?
I ripped that bitch off.
You ripped it off?
By accident. You know what my mailbox is? You know how the grass is thick over there? My dad parked it there. And back out. I ripped it off. I didn't have time yesterday.
Oh, this guy. Look at that turbo. Want to trade turbos?
Bro, my turbo spool fast.
I know, bro. I wish I could spool fast.
Start spooling at 3K. Even a high gear at like 3,000, it starts spooling up. Like third gear.
That's what I want, bro. I want fast spool action. That's all I want, bro.
All right, so my battery's dead, so I used my mom's car, and I don't know what happened, but it was a lot of sparks. I was trying to turn off something, and I almost circuited. All right, let's see. Where the hell are my keys?
This nigga lost his keys.
And I just had them.
Battery's dead as freak. So what Randy doing right now is pulling off the what's that, the return hose? Or the sending hose. Sending hose for the fuel pump to see if it's getting pressure or sending out fuel. What's one way to check if your fuel pump's bad.
If you don't have a gauge, like the fuel
fuel pressure gauge? Yeah.
If you don't have that bitch, just a bitch right here.
So we primed the car over, and sure enough, gas is shooting out of the sending unit. So we got pressure. Now what we're trying to do is find our fuel pump relay.
Switch it on.
All right, we're gonna find the fuel pump relay. We're gonna test Randy's if we can find this damn thing.
Relay's working.
The relay's working?
Yeah.
How did you know?
You feel it? You feel like a pulse in it. All right, go down there.
Oh.
Put your hand on this.
So we took the relay out of my car. We're gonna put it in Randy's car, and if his car starts, then my relay is good. If it doesn't start, then my relay is bad. I didn't film it, but we tested relays. We put Randy's relay in my car. Still nothing. So right now we're gonna test this wires because mines are pretty old. They're NGKs. Like NGKs rarely ever go bad.
Bro, I had this in the hatch before I blew the motor.
What?
These wires. These are my old wires, right?
Yeah. So they're not that bad, but he got brand new ones. We're gonna just put the brand new ones in there and give them a shot, and we'll see if we're at least getting spark. My spark is weak right now. I don't know if me having weak spark is caused by not having fuel to the engine, or I don't know. But we're like, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Y'all go ahead and roast. I don't know what I'm talking about half the time. They go. We're gonna test out these wires. We tried the wires, still no spark. I unplugged the distributor, and the car still sounds like it wants to crank. So it's definitely something, and I'm leaning towards a spark issue, because it sounds the same as if there's nothing plugged in for it. This is weird, man. This is so weird, bro. Why me, bro? Why me, bro? We're gonna take a step further. We're gonna test Randy's ECU on my car. I got a lot of comments on old videos saying, yo, test another ECU. I tested V's distributor. His distributor did the same thing mine's doing. So next step from that would be testing, well, it wouldn't be the next step, but we're gonna test the ECU to see if anything changes. If it cranks, then we know my ECU is probably toast. I am on Hyundai, same thing as Randy on, so we gonna see. All right, Randy's ECU is now connected. Let's see. Nah. So my ECU is not at fault. Now it's down to a wire problem. It's definitely a wire problem inside the engine harness. Has to be, because if Randy's ECU don't work, then that's it's unfortunate, but it got to be something like that, bro. Something stupid. It's something stupid right now. So disregard that last part of what I said, how Randy's ECU don't work. The distributor was unplugged. So we plugged the distributor in, and this is what happens. Well, this is what happened. Foot not even on the gas. Car starts. It fluctuates, but car starts. Hold the back, that back. Fluctuating, just fluctuating. quick update. Loaded Randy's tune on the car, and the car do turn over on my ECU. So my ECU is now plugged in with Randy's tune on it, and so we know that my ECU is good. Just needed a tune. So what we're gonna do right now is just mess with the fuel cycle, everything fuel related, to base map it to get it to start. Hopefully not lean it out. But this is just temporary, just to get the car to idle perfect, and then I'm obviously gonna have my tuner send me either e-tune me a map or whatever he can do to get me a map. But good news that the car do starts, so that's good. That's damn good. Well, after you do that, you're gonna that's already saved. So we got my fuel injector size in there. For fuel, go to fuel trim. Right up there. 20%. Put my cranking fuel trim at 70.
Why that high?
Cause it'll crank like right away. The car is running with no map sensor. When we plug it in, it starts fluctuating the idle. So either my map sensor is bad or something tune related. But right now it's idling at 1,000. I'll show you guys on the Honda or on the thing itself. It's idling at 1,000, like 1,100 is the most it's going up to. But when we plug in the map sensor, it sounds like complete shit. I gotta figure out how to get all these back, but this is my current settings of the car. God, I kept some parts off the B20. We swapped the B20 map sensor on. I don't know if that'll work because, you know, they do ship overseas and all that water and shit, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna turn on the car now and see if that will fix either the idling issues. Probably not, cause that bitch is still climbing. That's weird. Randy, maybe it's tune related. I think it's tune related. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm Cam, boy. Stock block Cam gang. I got 3 error codes. Oh, plug the IAC back in. Randy, plug the IAC back in. The IAC's unplugged. Huh? It's plugged in? I got a code for it. Randy fixed it. My IAT sensor, I forgot. I didn't buy an IAT sensor. And that's where it's leaking from, where his hand's at. I gotta buy a sensor.
You don't have one?
I don't have one. I gotta buy one. I gotta buy IAT. But I still have I still got an idle air control valve code. So my map's good. My map's good. Bet. Bet, bruh. Bet, bruh. Yo. Me and Randy finally got the car to run. All I had to do for the longest time was basically load a different tune on the car. So the whole time my car wasn't cranking was tune related issues that I did myself. I think I didn't save the tune. I base mapped myself a long time ago and I was running off like a stock. I don't know what tune I was running off of. So all I did was put in Randy's computer, the car crunk. I downloaded his tune, put it on my computer, and the car crunk again. All I did was mess with the fuel tables and stuff like that, and now my car's idling perfect. I also had to block off vacuum crap and jig hoggly, heega hoggly, heega ha. But all in all, the car starts perfect. I am so happy. Now I can move forward with this build. I gotta order my fuel pump, but if you guys have a fuel pump for sale, that's a 450 or a 320, and that's E85 compatible, that's higher than 255, let me know. And if it's in new condition, I will buy it. I have to buy a VTEC solenoid gasket because mine's leaking, and I also have to buy an IAT sensor. So if you have an IAT sensor as well, let me know. I will buy that too. It doesn't have to be new as long as it just works. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you can, please leave a like on the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to purchase a stock block 1000 sticker, link down to my website below. My water stickers will be up on the site as well. Not when this video comes out, but just, you know, check, and whenever I make an update video, that's when that'll be. Whatever, I'm confused. I'm Black. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out. Peace.